Is your child always breathing through mouth or snoring? Let's talk about what adenoids are and when they become a problem. Hi, I'm Dr. Suhas Nalla, pediatric intensivist at Miracle Hospital for Women and Children, Pirzadiguda. Adenoids are there to help fight germs, and it's a lymphatic tissue. But sometimes they get swollen or infected and cause more harm than good. It can be a problem when your child is snoring loudly or having trouble sleeping, breathing mostly through mouth, or having frequent colds, ear infections, or blocked nose. So, do these all sound familiar and it isn't getting better? It might be time to check the adenoids. Thank you.